Hey friends, I'm Rebecca Spera and we're cooking with ABC 13 here in the Goya kitchen. And I love comfort food. I don't know about you, but the dish we're about to make is so satisfying. So we're making a cheesy chicken, beans, and yellow rice dish. So I've got my pan going, I've got the heat on, just about medium. I'm gonna take some of my Goya olive oil and pour it right in the pan. And then I'm gonna add some chopped onions and peppers to the pan. And you're gonna wanna let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the onions and peppers are nice and tender. All right, so my onions and peppers are looking just fine right now. So we're gonna add some chicken. So we're gonna add them right into our pan, along with our Goya black beans that have been rinsed and drained. And then we can't forget about seasoning. So we're gonna use the Goya Adobo all-purpose seasoning with pepper. And be generous with this, because you wanna have a nice flavor for your dish. So sprinkle it on in, a couple of tablespoons is a-okay. And you're gonna mix it up and let it cook so those flavors really start to flare in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're gonna add the rice that we already pre-cooked. Look at that, this yellow rice looks absolutely delicious. And if you remember, I called this comfort food. I called it comfort food for a reason. Not just because there's rice and chicken and onions and peppers and beans, but because we're adding some cheese as well. So you're gonna add some cheddar cheese to the mix, and you want it to melt and get all gooey and yummy. And once it does, it's time to serve. All right, it looks like this cheese has melted, so it's time to serve this up. You know, I love one-pot meals. If you make the rice ahead of time and have the chicken cooked ahead of time for other meals during the week, this is a dish that you can make for the family that's so easy and so good. And you saw how fast it was. It only took a couple of minutes because we already had the rice and chicken already ready. The kids will love it.